hot banger. It's your boy TMK Money. Guys, for today's video, I want to show you how to make money with this website. It's called Qualcomm. It's Qualcomm, something like that. So it's Qualcomm, how to make money with this website. Also, you can even use an app. I'll show you how to do it, how to download an app on this website and start making money, guys. So on this website, guys, I'm gonna show you step by step how to bind your bank account, and also how you can start withdrawing on this website. And also I'm just gonna show you a proof of withdrawal live, guys. I'm gonna show you that. Please make sure you watch this video until the end, and also consider subscribing to our boy if you like this kind of videos that I'm dropping now, and hit that notification bell so that you will get notified, guys. So now I want to show you the withdrawal process so that you can see that this website really works. I want to withdraw my cash now so that you can see if it really works or not. So we're gonna find out here, guys. So as you can see, I'm having 150, guys, on this website, and then the minimum withdrawal for me is 50 rand. So which means I'm gonna withdraw this 150 for me to withdraw, guys. So then I'm just gonna click where it said withdraw, guys. I'm gonna click where it said withdraw. Boom, withdrawal request has been submitted, as you can see. So I'm waiting for the money to get into my bank account. So guys, this is how you're going to make money with this website. So I will show you how this works step by step, how to register an account. And okay, guys, as you can see, now I'm on the platform. So they're gonna need your cell phone number. You're just gonna put your cell phone number. Please make sure you don't put a zero. Don't put a zero on your cell phone number. Don't start with the zero. Just type maybe 6, 7 and something like that. I don't know what is your cell phone number, but make sure you don't put a zero at the start of the cell phone number. Make sure you don't put a zero, guys, so that it can work. So now you're gonna put your captcha. You're just gonna copy this captcha here, guys. You're gonna start with maybe 5, not 5, it's 8, 3, 9, 5, and then you put your captcha, guys, here, and then you put your password, guys, here. Make sure your password is 6 characters, guys. Make sure you put a strong password, guys, here. Mix it with numbers and characters, something like that, and then you're good to go. Boom, you will be done registering your account. They're gonna give you 20 rand free for you just for registering, guys. That's how you're going to do it. Okay, guys, so you're done registering your account. So now you're on your account. As you can see, this one is my account, guys. As you can see, I'm having 0 now. I'm having 0 just because I just withdraw. Let me show you the money that I withdraw. So I'm just gonna come to my withdrawal. As you can see, this is 150 is the amount that I withdraw today. As you can see, the date 2023 03 and 04. As you can see, this is the date, guys. I withdraw today. This is 150, as you can see here. So it's success. So which means the money is on my bank account already, just because it's done approving. So as you can see, this is the platform. As you can see, the minimum withdrawal is 50 rand. Whenever you have 50 rand, you can cash out your money. Just type 50 rand and then you cash out your money. This one is my withdrawal record that shows how much I withdraw on this website. So I'm only left with 0. So I want to show you how to get this kind of money that I'm showing you guys here. So first of all, you need to come where they say products. You need to come here, guys, first. As you can see, this is the plans that they have, guys, on this website. This one is the I think it's the best plan, guys. This one is the top plan just because it's 2,000 rand. But I want to show you the plan that you're going to get as a starter on this website. You don't want to spend all your money. You need to have, let's take you're a starter and you want to start making money. You can start up with 100 rand, and then your daily income is going to be 15 rand. This is 15%, guys. So your total return is going to be 675, and then the days is going to 45 days. So if you're going to rent this one for 45 days, you're gonna get 675, as you can see. For you to buy this rent machine, you're gonna like come and buy this one here. Just gonna click buy. This one is the machine that is the machine that they have, guys, here. It's the last machine that you can get on this website. That's what I'm trying to say. So you're gonna click where they say select. It's either you buy with your balance, It's either you buy on your with your balance on this platform. You're gonna click where they said balance, and then you're going to buy this machine with your balance, guys. So payment number one is here is where you're gonna like choose a gateway that you wanna buy with, guys. So for me, I already have this machine. I'm not going to buy it. So guys, I suggest you need to buy this machine for you to make money on this platform. Just because we're not going to make free money, guys. You're not going to. So with 100 rand, if you're going to get 675, guys, wow, that's a lot of money, guys. Consider buying this machine to start making money on this website. As I showed you my proof of withdrawal, don't worry about legit whatever. I don't worry about that, just because this website is legit, just because I have tried it myself and it worked, as I showed you the withdrawal process. But I'm gonna like show you the withdrawal process. I'm just gonna connect with this video, and then you're gonna see how to withdraw on this platform. So now I want to show you how to start making money with referrals, guys. With referrals. So now I'm gonna click where they said referrals. Gonna click where they said referrals, guys. So gonna wait for the connection to connect. So yeah, guys, you're going to make money referring your friends, guys, to this website. So whenever they come and register using your link, you're gonna get paid. Remember, the link will be on my description, guys. The link is going to be on my description. So as you can see, for you to start referring, gonna copy, just gonna click copy, boom, you're done copying. Gonna click copy, and then boom, you're good to go, guys. You're good to go. So new launched legit earning platform has been launched. Register to earn 15% to 30% daily income. Sign up bonus 5,000 NGN and 30% plus 4% plus 1%. Guys, this is the commission that you're going to get when you refer someone. That's a lot, guys. So it's either use Facebook to promote your link, guys. It's either use Facebook or WhatsApp to promote your link, guys. I don't know which traffic you're going to use, but that's how you're going to make money. Promote it to your friends, and then they're going to register because they are interested in making money, guys. So you're going to do that and let the platform, let people know about this platform. That's how you're going to make money with this website, guys. So now I'm just gonna show you how to bind your bank account. It's simple to bind your bank account, guys. Step by step, it's simple. But I'm not going to bind mine just because I already bind mine. I already bind my bank account. I'm not going to bind it now. I'm not going to do that just because I don't want you to see my bank account. I'm just gonna show you where to bind your bank account. So guys, here is where you're gonna click to bind your bank account, where they said my card. You're gonna click here, guys. They're gonna show you. I'm not going to get there just because I don't want to share my my information, guys. Gonna click here, and then you add your bank account. Either use ABSA, FNB, whatever, it's available, guys. If Capitec is available, and then you're gonna put your name on your bank account. Make sure you put your name and your surname on your, as it appears on your bank account, so that they can pay you. So on customer services, let's take you have a problem with this website or something like that. You're gonna come where they say customer support, and then here is where you're gonna talk with the people, guys, that are available for you to that are available so that they can help you, guys. This is where you're gonna click is customer support.